Good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic from environment and geography, Navegaon-Nagzira Tiger Reserve, often referred to as the Guardian of Gondia. Now, this topic is important because tiger reserves are frequently asked in prelims, especially when linked with current developments. Let us begin with the current administrative development. The Tiger Reserve has recently assumed control over its newly notified buffer zone starting from 1st April 2026. This is important because buffer zones play a crucial role in conservation by reducing pressure on the core area. This expansion also strengthens wildlife management and increases the protected ecological footprint in Gondia district of Maharashtra. Now, coming to its ecological importance, Navegaon-Nagzira lies at the heart of the central Indian tiger landscape. It supports almost one-sixth of India's total tiger population, which makes it extremely critical for conservation. So if there is any disturbance in this region, it can directly impact tiger populations at a national level. Now, from a factual point of view, you should remember that this is Maharashtra's fifth tiger reserve. It is located in the eastern part of the state, specifically in Gondia district, and it was officially declared as a tiger reserve in the year 2013. These are direct prelim type facts. Let us now understand its composition. Navegaon-Nagzira Tiger Reserve is formed by combining multiple protected areas. These include Navegaon National Park, Navegaon Wildlife Sanctuary, Nagzira Wildlife Sanctuary, New Nagzira Wildlife Sanctuary, and Koka Wildlife Sanctuary. So it is not a single unit, but a combination of multiple protected regions working together. One of the most important ecological roles of this reserve is that it acts as a corridor. It connects major tiger reserves like Kanha, Pench, and Tadoba. These corridors are essential because they allow movement of animals and maintain genetic diversity. Without such linkages, populations can become isolated. Now, let us look at the physical geography. The terrain here is undulating, meaning it has rolling hills rather than flat land. One key feature is Zenda Pahad, which rises to about 702 meters above mean sea level. Such varied topography helps create diverse habitats for different species. In terms of vegetation, the region falls under the southern tropical dry deciduous forest type. It supports around 364 species of plants, which indicates high biodiversity. You should also remember some dominant species like Terminalia, Lagestromia, and Pterocarpus, as UPSC sometimes asks vegetation-based questions. Now, coming to the faunal profile, especially carnivores, the major apex predators include tiger and panther. Apart from them, there are canids and scavengers like wolves, wild dogs, and jackals. You also find specialized hunters like the sloth bear and ratel, also known as the honey badger. Looking at herbivores and other fauna, the prey base includes species like gaur, sambar, chittal, four-horned antelope, and mouse deer. There are also unique mammals like small Indian civet, palm civet, flying squirrel, and pangolin. These species together maintain the ecological balance of the reserve. Finally, let us quickly revise. This is the fifth tiger reserve of Maharashtra, declared in 2013, located in Gondia district. It has recently expanded its buffer zone administration from April 1. It plays a critical role as a corridor linking Kanha, Pench, and Tadoba. Ecologically, it falls under southern tropical dry deciduous forests and supports high biodiversity, including a significant share of India's tiger population. So overall, when you study tiger reserves, always focus on location, year of declaration, ecological role, and species diversity. These are the areas from which UPSC frames most questions. That'll be all for today. Thank you and all the very best for your preparation.